Now this is how you're gonna see the previous year's images on Google Maps on your phone. It works exactly the same no matter if you have Samsung, iPhone or anything else. So let me just get into it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So I'm gonna open up the Google Maps. You can see that it has like this newer logo, so make sure you have your apps up to date, but you can get inside as such, right? So I will basically be able to zoom in on any city, right? And if I hold it down on some streets like this, right, you will be able to see that when I hold down on it, the pin gets dropped, and I have the ability to click on this little window and open up the street view, right? So it just moves me directly into the street, right, wherever I happen to be. That's kind of how it works. I'm gonna make it go full screen and I can move around. That's okay, but in order to see the previous year's images, you can see that if I swipe up like that, I should be able to see the days, right? So you can see that I have, when you click on the date at the top, you can kind of like go back in time. So the latest is from May 2024, which is fine, pretty up to date, but you can go 2 years back. And it's essentially the same street, the same car that drove through there, but the difference is there because there are like different things, different weather or whatever, and it's nice to kind of like go back in the time, and you can scroll all the way to the right to see the oldest date available. So as you can see, August 2007, right? So that's pretty far into the past, and you can kind of like browse the streets and how it looked before. So that's what a lot of people want to do. That's how you can kind of like see the previous years of imagery on Google Maps. Let me know if that was the thing that you were looking for. I hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future videos.